Hello and welcome to my cooking channel Ashwini Tarcar's Cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Prawn and mackerel pickle is quite easy to make only if you know the correct way. We will make prawn pickle first. For that we will need 3 green chillies, chop them finely, and 1 inch of ginger peeled and chopped into small pieces. Keep this aside. Mix 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 3 teaspoon chili powder. This is the Bedgi variety, the non-spicy one, which gives color and very less spiciness. And 1.5 teaspoon homemade pickle masala. I have posted this recipe earlier in cauliflower pickle. We will take 2 cups shelled and clean prawns. These are very tiny prawns. This will taste very good in pickle. Now take a handi, a small pot, and add 4 tablespoon oil. If you want the pickle to last longer, you add 6 tablespoon oil. Now quarter teaspoon methi or fenugreek and quarter teaspoon mustard seeds. This is just to give a fresh taste. Otherwise all this is there in the pickle masala also. Add chopped ginger and green chilies and the masala mix. All this has to be done very quickly so that we should not burn the masala and the chili powder. Add the prawns and stir. Do it on low flame. The prawn will leave water. Now add sea salt 1 tablespoon and add little water till the prawns leave water. It should not get burnt, so we have to add little water. Now cook for few minutes till the prawns become hard. Add 1.5 lime juice. Squeeze the lime. Don't put the seeds and don't overcook also. Taste it and adjust and see if you need more salt or chili powder. And this is ready to serve. We will make the mackerel pickle now. For this we will need half kilo mackerel. You can see how fresh they are. The gills have to be red and sticky, and the green color of the mackerel defines the freshness. Now clean and cut and apply salt. Leave it for half an hour and then wash it. Now we will take the clean mackerel. You can see. Now this same masala we will use with turmeric, chili and pickle masala. Same combo and same combo of chili and ginger. Again we will take 4 tablespoon oil. Maybe 6 if you want it little oily. Same formula, you add quarter teaspoon fenugreek and mustard for the freshness of the masala, and add the ginger and chili. Add the masala mix. Until this step it is similar to prawn pickle. Now add half cup water. The mackerel should be added after we add everything. Now add sea salt and add the washed mackerel pieces. These are very delicate, we cannot keep stirring them, so this has to be added later. Now see that the pieces are dipped in the masala and stir very gently. Sprinkle some water. If you feel it is dry, you sprinkle some water and cook. Add 1.5 lime juice. Cover and cook for few minutes. You can shake the kadai. Don't use a spatula or a spoon to flip the mackerel. Now you can see when the mackerel is hard, it is cooked. So check if it is cooked and switch off. Now it is ready to serve. This will last in the fridge for say 15 days. This tastes best with goan bread or solkadi rice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my recipes with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.